Alright, so we've had a bunch of rain lately from Tropical Storm Beta, and it rained, probably drizzle, rain for, I don't know, 2 or 3 days, and it's been really humid. I've had the cover on the grill, and let's take a look at what's inside. Oh, that is not what I'm gonna cook on tonight. We've got a bunch of stuff growing in there. So what I'm gonna do, load it up with charcoal, light it up, let it burn for a good hour or so, and come in and just do a little cleanup. Alright, so we got the fire going. Now the vents just wide open, get as much airflow in there as you can. And we're just gonna let it burn. Once that fire gets going really good, I'm gonna shut it down, leave the top vent open, and just let it burn. So it'll check in. It's been in there about 10 minutes. The lid closed, so we're sitting just over 500, so that's good. We want to be above 450 to burn and eat up all that stuff. All right, guys, sitting at about 20 minutes with the lid closed. There's fully open down there. Open up here, sitting close to 550, and just burning away. So we've been going for 30 minutes up over 500, which should be good enough to kill all that stuff. Open on the bottom, so kind of cracked on the top, pretty wide open. So let's get this guy open and see what it looks like. It's the first time opening it since we got it going. So open the big green egg, you gotta burp it first. So what you do is you go like this, you go burp, and then you can open that guy wide up. So let's take a look at that. Still got a little bit around there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna brush down these grates. Then see, there's still a lot of charcoal in there. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna close it back up, but I noticed that there was some growth up here on the ventilator too, so the top ventilator. I don't know if it's called a ventilator, but in Texas, if you don't know what something's called, you just make up a name for it, and that's what it becomes. So top ventilator had a little bit of growth up there. You can no, you can see a little bit there, but so I'm gonna leave this guy open, but I'm gonna close up this guy up here, and it's gonna be hot, so gotta go fast. Woo, hot! All right, that's good enough. So we're still gonna get some heat, oxygen coming in from the bottom. Leave that guy up there, try to heat it up, burn it off, and we're gonna just let that go. Okay, it's been about an hour. Got the top open up a little bit, get some airflow. Bottom's still open, and we're looking pretty good. There's no more growth in there, so I think we've killed off everything. So let's try to throw a steak on there. Thanks for watching. Next day, I let the fire burn all night, so I'm just gonna kind of get in there and just kind of wipe things down with a wet rag, and we should be good. All right, looks a little bit better. See, very messy job, but we should be pretty good for next time. Thanks for sticking around for the bonus footage. Don't forget to thumbs up for this. T-bones grill, let's go. There we go, guys. Enjoy. Bonus footage, round 2. You guys stuck around a while. That guy? Just gonna kind of slow smoke these guys back here before I throw them on the infrared grill, sear them at the end. So this is just to kind of get them warm, cooked in the middle just a little bit. There we go. Really, how much bonus footage are you going to stick around for? Interruptions from your favorite music. Start a free trial now. You betcha. You guys need more bonus footage? Guys, come on. I appreciate you guys sticking around, but please go to the next video. Thanks for watching. Again. How's it feel?